Welcome back to Conversation to Close. This is Sean, and today we're going to be going over cash deals. Now, if any of you have watched my videos, you know that I think it's a little bit of a waste of time to offer cash deals for an on market property just because of the formula of how low that offer is going to end up being. I found that most people don't want to take that offer. Sometimes they will, most of the time they don't. So I would rather just go keep offering creative deals for people that are open to it. But in case you need to do a cash offer, you really, really want to try it, I'm going to show you how to use the calculator to do it. Contrary to the rest of the videos in this series, you're not going to be using the inputs page. You're going to go to the MAO tab down here. Now, there are two different calculators. One is for on market deals, and one is for off market deals. This side is for off market deals. This one is for listed or on market properties. And the only difference between the two, besides the details in the formula, is what we're starting with. For an off market property, you can start off with the ARV as your jumping off point, the after repair value. What is the house going to be worth once it's flipped? That's where you start. For an on market property, you have to start with what it's listed for. And I'll give you a short explanation as to why. Every local investor has what's called a cart set up with their real estate agent or with a real estate agent in that market. A cart is where you put your information, the real estate agent will put your information in, your name, your email address, your phone number, whatever, and then all the details for the properties that you're looking for. So, for example, one of my carts, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, in the city that I'm marketing in, less than $250,000. Those are the properties that I'm interested in. I'm open to single family duplex, right? For example, let's say that's my cart. So every time a property goes on market, it gets sent to all the local real estate agents. So if it's on market, they've already seen it. They've already run their numbers and they've already passed on the deal. That's why it's been on market for so long. So your job, if you want to offer cash, is you have to get it at a very deep discount. The formula, in case you don't want to use the calculator, is 60% of what it's listed for, minus any rehab estimates, minus your assignment fee. So I'm going to run the exact same property, but I'm going to show you the difference between it being on market and off market. So we're going to stick with the same one in the series. Now, I already ran the ARV on this property. The ARV of this property, give or take, is about $250,000. So, $250,000. Now, in this situation, just to go back and look at it, it doesn't really need much in the way of work. It's in really good shape. Completely turnkey as far as I'm concerned. Kitchen's good, color's good, everything's good. Everything's in really good shape, ceiling fans. It's a real good property, right? So it doesn't need any work. So in this situation, very rarely, I'm going to put zero for the rehab. And then obviously I want to make at least $10,000 on the deal. That means that I can offer a max, my MAO, max allowable offer, is $152,500. Now let's do the exact same thing. Now it's on market, $218,000. Again, zero rehab. And then I want to make the same $10,000. You can only offer $120,000. Now, for someone that's got their property listed for $220,000, the chances of them taking an offer of $100,000 less cash, to me, is unlikely. And you don't even want to know what it looks like. What if the property needed $20,000, $25,000 in work? Over here, I can offer 127. Over here, I can only offer 95. So you see how offering cash for an on market property gives you a number just based off the formula. It's simple math that isn't going to give the best offer to the seller. So you can try it if you want. This is how to use the calculator in order to do it. And if you want to know how to estimate rehab, that's in the Docs and Forms channel in Discord. Otherwise, I hope this answers your question for you. Leave a comment if you have a question, like and subscribe. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk